I'm going to replace the cabin filter. Comes with Febreze. Whoa. Wow, that's weird. This thing is dirty. Like way dirty. Okay, so I guess it's just taking it out of those clips and replacing the old with the new. And I messed up because once I finished installing the cabin filter, I closed the glove box and I turned the key to lock it. I don't know why, I guess to test it. And then when I tried to open it, it wouldn't open up. So what I figured was that you could actually pry open the glove compartment, and then I took apart the lock and or the handle, and then I pulled open the handle, and from inside the handle I pulled the lock, because then I could see the teeth of that actually get moved by the key, and some of those teeth are not going down and are not allowing the key to turn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push on the teeth while I turn the key, and that should be able to let me unlock it once again. So there you go, now it's unlocked. Okay, so it has this like little grooves. It has 3 of those, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna find the grooves inside here. It has 3 grooves as well, so you gotta match up the grooves with the way that you put the lock back in. And so that's the way that it goes. Once it goes inside, you just pretty much have to clip it back on so that these things can actually hold. And there. Now I gotta put it back in here. And so you see how it's got that thing right there that it's gonna actually make it turn. So this little clip is the one that's gonna go inside of that thing so that it actually turns. And there you go. So yeah, that key, something must be wrong with the clip or the handle, and that's why it no longer works with the key. So lesson learned, I'm not gonna use that glove compartment lock. All right, so pretty much to open it, you gotta put a flathead screwdriver and or like a pry bar like I have here, and just pretty much wedge it open, or pry it open, I mean. So here I go. I'm gonna try not to block. Okay, so okay, there. And there it is.